Hey folks, this is Scott and welcome to the X-Fed Homestead. Well, today is a gorgeous day. Just in the 70s, a little breezy and sunny. And finally, this week, I completed my raised beds. So now I have 8 raised beds, and these ones here filled with these ones here filled with strawberries. And these ones here are brand new. And so I need to fill those up with dirt. They have a little dirt in them now, but today's project is going to be filling them up so I can take all the 8 yards of dirt on my driveway, and hopefully I'll just work at it until it's gone and fill these beds up. So that's today's project, so let's get to work. That the bead broke on the wheel. Now I gotta shovel it out. Well, you know, I just don't feel like fixing that tire right now. I've got work to do, so I think I'm gonna have to go old school. Yep. That's a ticket. Well, that's it for hauling dirt today. I hope that's it. I'm gonna rake this out and see how it fits, and that should be it for today, I hope. So let's get the rake and put it to work. Well, that was at least a good 4 hours of work spread out over the day, here and there, in between some other projects. I had to take a break from all the wheelbarrow loads. It's a bit of heavy work, and I still have a bunch of dirt over there to move, but I'm gonna save that for another day. So I think that's about all we're gonna do today. I'm gonna go snack on some blueberries and raspberries while I still got them. This is Scott at the X-Fed's Homestead. We'll see you next time.